Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 1st, 2022. Welcome to the June. June always was a pivotal month for the market and especially US stocks. But in this video, we're talking about a different one. We're talking about Alibaba. So Alibaba since 2020, October 2020, which peaked at October 2020, is in downtrend. And right now, this downtrend is forming a basing here down there below 100. So there are two factors that you need to pay attention. One is this is a nice institution level in October 2015, which this institution buyers just jacked up the price going all the way back up there. So in almost 3 to 5 waves. All right. So right now, price is coming back down to this institution level, and look how it reacts to this level. So with three shadows, and since the beginning of this downtrend, you cannot see any basing formation like this, any price action like this. So this type of price action means sellers are getting exhausted and buyers are coming back to Alibaba. However, month of June is a red candle here, but we just start today. So a month of May just formed a dragonfly doji with higher low as well here. So this higher low, I haven't seen this since this downtrend. All right, so that is very, very important based on the monthly chart, and we can see how we can say the downtrend is being finished. So if you go to the weekly chart, in weekly chart, it's kind of like obvious. Before starting weekly chart, I just want to show you something interesting in monthly chart as well. Here's the momentum in MACD histogram. So you see the price is going down, but MACD histogram is going sloping up gradually, very, very slightly, which is kind of like a bullish sign for the Alibaba, just because as you see here, when we are sloping up, so price is coming back up and catch up with the momentum. And here's the case as well. And right now we are kind of sloping up, price is coming down. So this is kind of like a downtrend. But we need to see this is sloping up is coming back with RSI as well. However, stochastic signals for bull reversal here. This is a bullish reversal stochastic signal, and RSI needs to sloping up as well. So RSI is sloping down, but this is very, very nice basing formation for another probably 2 years a bull market for Alibaba. That's what I'm seeing. But before saying a bull market, we need to go to smaller time frame to confirm that when we can say the bull market has been started. So this is weekly chart, and in weekly chart, if I just turn off all the moving averages here, just SMA 20. So SMA 20 on weekly chart tells you that we are in downtrend. So this blue line is moving average SMA 20, and whenever we hit this line, price is going back down. Whenever we hit this line, price is going back down. And if you look at my previous video in I don't know when was the last time I gave you analysis for Alibaba, but here's the level that I pointed out, and as you see here, based on this consolidation here, this is very, very nice consolidation with higher low here as well. So this is a breakout coming back down, back test, consolidation, break up to the upside. And here's the thing. So right now, I think we are forming the bullish reversal for Alibaba, but there are two things that we need to pay attention. First of all, price needs to break through above this channel. This is a very, very classic downtrend channel. Price needs to close above this, and the point is 100 is going to be your spot to keep an eye on that. Price needs to close above $100 per weekly candle. Also, price needs to close and hold above SMA 20 in weekly basis. So for example, this one just pierced through but coming back down. and this one just touched and coming back down. So whenever price just touch it, it comes back down. Right now with this formation, I really like it because we have series of higher lows here. So low, higher low, higher low, and price kind of attacking to 100 level and reversing back down today. But if it close, especially this month, pay attention to the months of June and July, if it close above this area, I would say the bear market is over for Alibaba. At least we can have a decent bounce to 134 or maximum target 161 to 172, at least if it breaks through this trend line. So keep an eye on these levels. This is very, very simple. It's not a rocket science. Just look at 100 and 103 in weekly basis. So whenever we are done on Friday, just look at the chart, the weekly chart. If we are getting close above this, so it's going to be a good signal for you. Okay, Alibaba is done with the downtrend and we are coming back up to the bullish momentum. At least we will have a strong bounce to 134, 161, 172. That's going to be very, very important area as well. But 134 is going to be very, very important area as well. Another thing that I want to mention in daily chart, let's go to the daily chart. Okay, here's the daily chart, and you can see price is coming back up with higher lows. Price is getting close above this short-term trend line. So this is a short-term trend line, and as you see here, let me just adjust a little bit. All right, so this is a short-term, or if it is kind of messy, let me just clean these ones here, then we can come back with moving averages. All right, so here is the level. So 100 to 104, you see, 100 to 104. So that is a very, very strong resistance area in daily chart. So we need to close above this. We need to hold above this in weekly candle. So this is how we are going to play around with different time frames. But this choppy, sloppy, I think it's kind of like a forming the basing formation for Alibaba. We shouldn't close below this, because if we close below this, that's going to be ugly. We can test this one and even lower low. But right now, price is going back up with higher high, higher low in daily candle at least. Okay, so pay attention to this 100 to 104. This needs to be engulfed and close above this and hold above this. So if we hold above this, that's going to be a very, very bullish signal for Alibaba. Right now, price recaptured to 20 SMA in daily basis, just hit the 50 and then coming back down. So 50 is not recaptured yet, and SMA 100 is very, very important for daily chart as well. So whenever we are coming back to SMA 100, as I said here before, SMA 100 is the leading indicator for daily chart as well. So this chart needs to be confirmed as well. If price is getting back above this 100 to 104, SMA 100 is 105, so it's not gonna be a big deal. If we just close above this and hold above this, I would say just keep an eye on this one as well. So we can just close above this, then we are attacking to 134.35, very, very important level, very strong level. Then we can say, okay, if we break through this, we are going to 183. I think that's the maximum target for next bullish momentum if we break through here. So just keep an eye on this if we break through here. If we are getting back down and test this and break below this, so that's going to be ugly and we are continuing with the downtrend. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and introduce our channel to your friends, relatives, who ones that you think they're interested in the stock market analysis. Have a wonderful week. See you on the chart. Bye bye.